flooding include the Las Vegas Valley. Flash flooding is expected on roads and normally dry washes and low-lying areas.
It just popped up on my phone, guys. Holy crap. Alright. Alright, let's get this one now. Alright, I gotta get Giovanni now.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for Central Clark County in southern Nevada until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated another round of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Las Vegas Valley. More storms are moving in from the south, which will only worsen ongoing flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include the Las Vegas Valley. Flash flooding is expected on roads in normally dry washes and low-lying areas. Never try to cross a flooded road or enter a flood channel. Turn around, don't drown. Report flooding to the Las Vegas National Weather Service via Facebook or Twitter.
Is that like another one or something?
I got like a double header.
Double header. Okay. Well, I'm recording right now, so I'm currently with Giovanni F 2007 from YouTube.
Yep. Come subscribe to me, guys, and subscribe to him too. He's a great YouTuber.
Yeah, he's one of the EAS enthusiasts here in Vegas.
True.
And it's from my county too. I just got it on my phone.
Yeah, mine too. I just got like an alert on my phone too.
Okay. I also have it on the TV. I gotta get my remote.
Wait, what channel is it on?
Channel 10.
I'm on channel 10, but it's not on the TV.
Can you rewind or fast forward on your TV?
No, I can't.
Okay, then you. Alright, then you just gotta watch it then.
Ooh.
You're just gonna have to watch it right now.
Well, I'll get a triple header. Alright, I'm loading it right now, so.
And my mom also got mad at me because everything just started to go off. And it woke her up from her nap, and then she stormed in the room, and she was very mad. So, just keeping it on the down low.
I got it on the FM radio. Let's see if I can pick up on the different station.
You can also pick it up on 107.5 and on 720 AM.
107.5.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go to.
Alright.
I think it already went off from there.
Alright, I'm gonna just turn you down so the thing can hear the TV. Sorry guys, I'm just a little bit excited. Well, let's get started with the TV.
We'll add some white wine.
Alright.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for Central Clark County in southern Nevada until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated another round of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Las Vegas Valley. More storms are moving in from the south, which will only worsen ongoing flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include the Las Vegas Valley. Flash flooding is expected
What were you saying?
Is that on TV?
Yeah, that was on TV. I rewind it.
Huh. So it already happened?
It already happened. Alright.
What thing are you on? Like a cooking show?
Alright, I'm gonna turn on my camera and I'm gonna show you. I have it paused right now.
How do you do that? Huh. Well, mine should be coming soon.
Yeah.
Oh, she haven't cut the thing yet.
Well, I'm not currently live. I'm not currently live on the TV right now because I just paused it.
I'm currently live.
Okay.
So is it gonna happen?
You probably got like standard cable on your TV, so you probably can't like fast forward or rewind it. Some stuff like that. But I think we're gonna. I'm also gonna turn this down just in case.
Make it like happen.
I'm gonna have to turn this down real quick. Just turn that down a little bit. Alright, guys. Well, guys, that's going to be it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Giovanni F 2007. And we will see you later. So until then, peace.